Hello, shout out sa atong hikerists out there, both newbies and pros. Allow me to share with you my hiking etiquette 101. Please feel free to add in the comments. For number 1, observe silence. Labi na akong sayo sa buntag kung mga gisa na ay mga balay, kaya respeto na to sa ilaha, diba? For number 2, be respectful to fellow hikers ug pag maayong buntag diha kanipon. Know when to let other hikers get ahead of you. Number 3, refrain from activities that could endanger you or other hikers wherever they umbrella sa bukid. Number 4, be extra vigilant of your surroundings. Use your stick, any stick. Number 5, know your trails or get a guide. It's best to plan ahead before tamang hike. Kung asa tamang agi, dili sa talang panahon sa right destination ta maabot inig masahag. Also, meet new friends along the way. Basin mahagay sila nimo, but be careful who you trust. Number 6, know when to extend help or ask for help. Kaya kita nagkahiusa tumod sa bukid, hinaot magkahiusa ta sa panon sa panginahanglan. Number 7, be ready with your food and refreshments, water. Number 8, respect the animals. Apiladihan dili na to pagkuha nila from their natural habitat. And number 9, genuinely enjoy nature. Connect with Mother Nature. If wala pa ka nakahike, this is your sign. Ingat!